Congress to put up fight if Manipur interest is hurt in Indo-Naga final settlement. United Committee Manipur gives 11 days to Center for Fixing Blunder in Naga Peace Process. And Police Commemoration Day observed in Manipur. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gai Khangam today reiterated that the party will put up a fight in case Manipur interest is harmed due to the Indo-Naga final political settlement, but added that the party has respect for an enduring solution to the vexed Naga problem. Gai Khangam, who is also a CWC member, was addressing media at the Congress Bhavan Imphal. It may be noted that a noise has been created in Manipur in the past few days since the announcement by Naga Talks interlocutor and Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi that this final settlement will be brought by October 31st. Gai Khangam mentioned that no one knows what is really inside the ongoing peace talks between the Government of India and NSE and IM. We are now apprehensive that the proposed final settlement could have the potential to impinge upon the territorial integrity of the state, he said. Congress is not happy that the state government has been claiming now and that the territorial integrity is safe in the process, Gai Khangam said. He cautioned that the Manipur government should be held responsible for all eventualities. Congress parties stand in crystal clear that it will stand for the cause of the people, the PCC president declared.
BJP state BJP center BJP Manipur states state against the agreement Yabatarabdi. I party the power resigned among Muni, not a Sarkar like we give a talk tade, I can Kayani. A state a sigi interest the Marui, Hibase, Masuk State, Chapa Lepaga, Madugi, Tonado, Unini, Madu Lepiusi. Sigma Todas the party, Dola Doli Captain. I come of the Limin Narakanda when Manipur can batai, Manipur is can batai, Hibison, Saint Harvard. A result when a Henaki is now. I should already Hiraga, Naram Passion Cray. There should already had his Husik, Karisut Toravra. Hibison can tell Hayamaxi, Konegi Kari, all political party meeting Kauri, I quite Sigma, see them of Tams that Adu Ada Dola Doli Hagloy. Party representative Ani Tagani, Kai Philip Lepi Gaduribano, have the Kangdoni.
Former Chief Minister Okrimi Bobby Singh told media that in the wake of the announcement for bringing a final solution to the Naga political problem within the current month, it is not time for the people to sit silent. Ibobi, who is the leader of Congress Legislature Party CLP, said that the contents in the Naga Framework Agreement are still unknown. And hence there are suspicions that interests of the people may be hurt by the Naga final agreement. If the territorial integrity is affected, both the center and Manipur government should be held responsible for it, warned.
Masi akoigi Manipur si amna picture ba haiba tare matam sang na ningkha tamna leramba dugumba state se masigi territory se Ningai Sauba Haisira Kari Haini organization sing the based over organization Oitarsu, Belly the based over organization Oibatargasu Madu Hosiki Moigi Pian and Urbani Haidana Masi Sop Torga Loire Haidana Tung the Karakadava state Sigi Punba Saktamda Apunba territory the Karakadava condition Yaubatargadi Koi party ki standy, a koi madu Yabasuk Moina, Koi Hana de Gisu, Tamjakri Baduni.
Against the backdrop of the announcement by Naga Talks interlocutor and Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi that the much-awaited Indo-Naga final political settlement will be brought by October 31st, the United Committee Manipur UCM organized an emergency public meeting at Kwakaithia Lemazamleka, Imphal. Speaking during the meet, UCM President Sunil Karam said the final settlement of the Naga problem can be brought anytime. But the committee will not sit back and witness any development that harms Manipur's interest in the process. He recalled that in 2017, the Prime Minister is sure to take all stakeholders into consideration as and when the Naga agreement becomes official, but the assurance has been kept silent now. Now we believe the centre could act just as it had done in Jammu and Kashmir, where Article 370 was revoked recently, Sunil said. He said October 31st is only 11 days away, and if any content is there in the agreement that hurts the state's interest, the centre should fix it within this period.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 12ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 12ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯗꯗꯅ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯗꯅ ꯗꯤꯛꯇꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯨ ꯖꯨꯟ 18ꯗ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ 2001ꯗꯣ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯤꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯤꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯇꯣ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯇꯨꯡꯂꯝꯆꯠ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯀꯞ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯂꯥꯔꯠ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Police Commemoration Day was observed at the Memorial Complex of 1st Manipur Rifles Campus, Imphal today by paying tribute to the martyrs. The event was attended by DGP of Manipur Police, LM Khaute and other top officials of Manipur Police. As part of the program, a gun salute was offered to the martyrs. Speaking at the function, DGP LM Khaute said that being police means making sacrifices, adding that we must not forget the police personnel who had laid down life for the cause of the motherland. Khaute asserted that their courage must always be remembered.
The day is observed all over the country in memory of the supreme sacrifices made by the police officers and men throughout the country. Year after year, and it's a solemn occasion for us. That's why we have organized Sok Parade and also placed floral wreaths on the Martyrs Memorial. I hope and pray for the souls of those martyrs who have laid down their precious lives for the country.
In Jiribam district, observing the Police Commemoration Day, homage was paid to the 3 police martyrs of Jiribam who had made supreme sacrifices in the line of duty. Floral tribute was paid to the photographs of Yumnam Budhi Singh, Ngangom Amuyayma Singh and Thangzam Birje Singh on the occasion. Top police officials, representatives of civil society organizations and local leaders were present during the program. Superintendent of Police Jiribam District, Mubi Moirangthem, encouraged the spirit of the district police personnel while loading the supreme sacrifices made by the martyred corps. Gifts were presented to the family members of the martyrs at the event. AK Mirabai today inaugurated a multi-broker prepaid trading center of BKC Enterprise Private Limited at Gambhir Singh Shopping Arcade, BT Road, Imphal. At the function, the 11th Foundation Day of Online Trading Academy, Manipur was also observed. Professor C.H. Ibhol Meite, Director, MIMS, Manipur University, Kanchipur, and Bikram Ngasepam, Managing Director, BKC Enterprise Private Limited, attended the function. Speaking to media persons, Bikram Ngasepam said the multi-broker prepaid trading center will provide a platform for investors, traders, and brokers, which will increase their earning level. He said that the center will also provide financial literacy to brokers and investors.
Jai lady, but my arms in knowledge sharing. And say, hey, doing say India, Han book weekend. Madam the Kano, India is agasing the broker, broker officer labor, broker officer, which is a multi broker go away. And India, the labor 267 store broker leasing. Much later, any account hang with me on a quiz the laga. No marketing trade or go by Tanza against you have. My prepaid to where when I go. Have the, my no in fees. Maybe around 200 or 300 my workstation internet system provide the opportunity
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, IPAG Tours and Travel Agency Manipur facilitates winner of Meitei Chanu 2019. Welcome back after the break. IPAG Tours and Travel Agency Manipur felicitated the winner of Meitei Chanu 2019, Leifrakpam Suchona Chanu at Hotel Rasta Kesamthong Hodam Lerak Machin today. The beauty pageant was organized by Lining Thau Sanamahi Sanapung LSSP and Trade and Expo Center Lamboy Khongnangkhong yesterday. The function was attended by President of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur, Yaiskul Khwairakpam, Managing Director of IPAG Tours and Travel Agency Rakesh Naurem, former Principal of RK Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Haurokcham Novinchan, Advisor of LSSP Kangabam Santibala, lifetime member of Patriotic Writers Forum Naurem Romila and Vice Chairman of Singju Festival Committee S. Premlata. Speaking at the event, Suchona expressed happiness in begging the title of Meitei Chanu in her first visit to Manipur. Suchona said that she wants to become a good mother and work towards conservation of the Meitei costume and tradition. She said she also wants to propagate Sanamaism around the world. Suchona added that she felt encouraged in winning the title. Suchona was presented with Meitei traditional Iyong Fi and Firuk at the event. The ban on Imphal More Road stretches from Palel to More called by the protesting United Tribal People Organization UTPO and All Tribal Sandstone Labour Association has been suspended in view of the Ningol Chakoba festival. The development comes following a meeting with Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and representatives of the two bodies. The ban began this morning. The two organizations are pushing for their demands like cancellation of the notification announcing Yangang Pokpi Lokchao as a wildlife sanctuary by the government, reserve forest area status for some parts of Tengnoupal district, and to withdraw the ban on sand and stone quarry in the district. Earlier in the day, vehicular movement on Imphal More was disrupted. Security measures were taken up by More police to thwart any unwanted incidents. The bail hearings for Landhoni, Romita and Robindro, who are accused in Baby Sona case in Manipur High Court and Cherab Court, have been postponed till October 23rd. The court also rejected bail plea by Warden Jinti of Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur. Landhoni and her daughter Romita have moved bail applications in Manipur High Court, while her son Robindro and Jinti in Cherab Court. But the bail hearing for Landhoni, Romita and Robindro will be held on October 23rd, sources said. A one-day awareness program on apprenticeship Pakhwara was organized by Manipur Society for Skill Development at Classic Hotel, Imphal today. Manipur Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Additional Chief Secretary of Labour and Employment, Letkogin Hokep, Director of Manipur Society for Skill Development, W. Manglem Nganba Chenglei, representatives of different business establishments and staff member of ITI were present at the program. T.H. Radhesyam said that importance of skill development has increased these days. Radhesyam added that apprenticeship is required for those who are doing business. He added that the awareness program will be very helpful to skill development. He asserted that knowledge and skill help in bringing progress in the society.
ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯃꯈꯣꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯇꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯇꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯕ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯇꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇ ꯖꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯐꯣꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯀꯦꯚꯦꯇꯔ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯦ ꯈꯪ ꯊꯥꯎ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯊꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯕꯦꯁꯦꯗꯔ ꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯒꯤꯌꯥꯔꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔꯂꯦꯁ ꯚꯦꯍꯤꯀꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔꯂꯦꯁ ꯚꯦꯍꯤꯀꯜ ꯆꯠꯂꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯄ꯭रोग्राꯝ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯔꯃꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ वी डू नॉट नो हाउ टू यूज ऑटोमेटिक गियर ऑल्सो ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯧꯏꯕ.
A program on prevention against iodine deficiency was held today at the Conference Hall of Office Complex of Chief Medical Officer Thoubal, organized by District Health Society Thoubal. Mission Director of District Health Society Thoubal and CMO Thoubal Dr. N. Jayantakumar, the FWO Thoubal Dr. K.S.H. Memcha Devi and District Leprosy Officer Thoubal Dr. Homeshwar attended the event. Talking about the program, CMO Dr. N. Jayantakumar said that iodine deficiency can lead to serious illness. Iodine is very important for children, youths and pregnant women. Iodine deficient mother can give birth to abnormal babies, he said. The program was also witnessed a demonstration on how to detect presence of iodine in common salt, and iodine detection kits were also distributed to ASHA workers. Mera Mifam 2019 annual conference on Umanglai Harawa was held at Lamyanba Sanglen today. Umanglai Kanba Apunba Lup Ukal organized the conference, which deliberated on matters concerning use of mic during Lai Harawa festival and the controversies surrounding dance forms of hill tribes. Titular King of Manipur Lesembasana Jawa, Professor N.G. Kangzia Mangang, Ukal President Chanam Navachandra, Principal of Slopland Public School Khongzom, and Babulin Maite and International Awardee Dr. Jiten Singh were present during the conference.
माइबा माइबी पेना सिंना हराउबा परम चुबना सत लाना सकिदनबगिदम अदुसु ngasiगी इखोइगी इफमसिदसु यावजेरि असिनतना लाइ हराउबा थौगलुपसिंना लाइ हराउबगी थौगलुपसिंना तौगदबा तौरोइदबसु इखोइना खननैनबा सिदा यावजेरि असिगुम्बा खननैनबा सिदा इखोइना उकलना मियांगि मतेंग लौजेरगा पांथोकबसिदा इदमदमसिदा लाइबिरि बेसिनाउसिना
Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Nupi aikhoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. अदुबु महौसागी खोंचटनिना खुदुंग थिनिंगाय अतुमक ओय मणिपुरदा अहान बोइना इरमदम मसिदा साजबा निंगोल खुदो अदुबु ngasidi अखोय चिंगनानिंगाय ओइद्रे अखोयगिदमक ब्राइट एंटरप्राइजेस की निंगोल खुदो.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lagpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima sing na set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom. Moirang khom sawai zamlairak machin natraga. Aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Welcome back. Social worker Thongam Santi Singh extended help to Fireman Uttam, aged 20 years, of Moirang Sendra Road, Ward number 5. Uttam is a parentless youth. Santi urged the government to finish Uttam's house, now under construction under the government housing scheme. Santi announced that the Ibudhau Puri Meritorious Award given to the students, who is sponsored by him and Moirang Kendra Progressive Front, will now be given to the needy people for their education.
Ibudau uri meritorious award pibase ai hongduaga sumai tawna victim adage akogi national calamity da awana taraba satra singda maru oina sigum pibam sida laba satra singda makoi asangba lek tambagi expenditure se aini spare tawraga makoi bo lek tamhaningbagi wakhal ma lai mase yam tuna.
Fairembam Uttam is currently studying in class 12 in Advanced Intermediate College. His father died and the mother is married to another man and both his sisters are married. Uttam is earning himself for his living and for his education. His house was destroyed in a major fire recently. Uttam expressed his gratitude to Thongam Santi and Moirang Kendra Progressive Front for their kind gesture. Nehru Yuva Kendra Bisnupur organized a declamation contest to 2019 at the auditorium of Moirang College on the theme Patriotism and Nation Building, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikash, Sabka Biswas today. Principal of Moirang College, Dr. K. Anand and District Youth Coordinator, Dr. Dhanachandra Salam were the main attendees of the program, where Assistant Professor of Moirang College, Dr. Rita Mairembam, Dr. Muhammad Rafizuddin and Dr. Khupmin Thang Khongsai were the jury members. Dr. Dhanachandra said that the event was organized to build a feeling of patriotism and sense of nation building among the youth.
Nehru Yuva Kendra Bisnupur Amadi Moirang College kusam naduna declamation contest ngasi ekhoi pangthok charisi ekhoi national level gi oiba dungba India puna Bharat sinbai thungna sathariba sigumba program amagi makhadani hairu program asigi theme di patriotism and nation building ni ekhoi Nehru Yuva Kendra na Bharat ki oina 623 district da sandok organized tawduna hauraiba naharul singda Mariba Nungsiba, Mahaki Samaj Nungsiba, Mahaki Kongang Nungsiba, Adu Mahaki State Pu Raijabu Nungsijaba, Adugumba Itilama, Sagatna Bagi Adugumba, Choba campaign amani, Higher program asi, Ministry of Defense, Post Government of India Makada, Sahi Mari Mangasi Satazarakpani, Contest Asitar Matung, the Mogi Wakalda, Soidana Mariba Nungsiba, Adugum Debaki Kanba, Samaji Kanba, Kongi Kanba, Adugumba Wakalonama, Sarkani Habasi, Aina Tazapat.
10 speakers took part in the contest. Cash prizes and certificates were distributed to the winners. The winners of the state level competition will represent Manipur in the upcoming national level competition to be held in Delhi. A sit-in protest was held today demanding proper functioning of Phogakchau Ikhai Police Station at Phogakchau Community Hall. Co-convener of Torbung Joint Area Committee Hemam Priyosa Khilaima condemned the state government for allegedly failing to take up action for fulfilling the demand. She also demanded that Torbung area should have a proper full-fledged police station. She ruled that the government has failed to give any response to the matter even though there has been protests since October 12th last. She also announced that they will intensify the agitation in Torbung Gram Panchayat area from tomorrow. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Siam lauded the theatre artists for their ability to survive, feel contented with whatever they make and do without the support of others. He said this during a Manipur Theatre Day and Theatre Center Award 2019 prize distribution program organized by Manipur Dramatic Union at the Union Hall today. Siam further said every person in the society should imbibe the discipline and principle of theatre artist. He also said that the enriching performance and contribution of these artists towards the society is praiseworthy. An award is incomparable to anything because it is only a recognition of the particular person for his or her relentless work and efforts, Siam noted.
Masih atoba na tambang ng motor mati ay sumujaba kan madugi magunna nasi theater to artist na moi si se theater gi lam na kathopani ai country.
Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR organized a one-day awareness program on child rights at Hairok Higher Secondary School, Thawal district today. Chairperson of MCPCR N. Sumatibala, Jet E of Thawal Zone 3, A. Anil Kumar, Principal of Hairok Higher Secondary School, L. Jila were the Presidium members of the program. Chairperson of Congress Working Committee, Advocate T.H. Rakishore spoke on the overview on child rights with emphasis on POCSO Act and Juvenile Justice Act as resource persons, while social scientist Dr. Dhanabi Laisim spoke on RTE Act and its significance. Teachers and students of various schools of Hairok constituency attended the program. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Bangladesh's upcoming tour of India is in jeopardy after Bangladesh cricketers went on a strike from all cricket playing activities until their 11-point demand list is not fulfilled by the country's board, according to media reports. Senior players like Saqib Al Hassan and Tamim Iqbal announced this declaration during an impromptu press conference held by them at the academy ground in Mirpur today. Bangladesh are scheduled to tour India for a 3-match 2020 international series and a 2-test series which starts on November 3rd. Improvement of payment structure and practice facilities in Dhaka Premier League, National Cricket League and Bangladesh Premier League were the major demands among others. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Congress to put up fight if Manipur interest is hurt in Indo-Naga final settlement. United Committee Manipur gives 11 days to Center for Fixing Blunder in Naga Peace Process. And Police Commemoration Day observed in Manipur. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Prabhavati